ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శివాది శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Another Papamochini Ekadasi. Today is Papamochini Ekadasi Sparana. So it is Dwadasi and Trayodasi. On Sunday, followed by Monday, Mahasivaratri, followed by the Kotta Amavasya on Tuesday, and the year changes from Subhakrut to Sobhakrut Nama Samvatsara. It has been long me doing this kind of reading of an Ashtakam or a Stotram of Shankara Bhagavatpada Acharya. So, Jagat Guru Krishna, very much linked to this Papamochini Ekadasi. Krishna Ashtakams, Ashtami Tithi is of Krishna again. Krishna Ashtakams, Ashtakam is 8 parts. Bhurambhasya nalo nilombara maharnatho himam supraman ityabhati characharatmakamidam yasyaiva murtyashtakam nanyah kinchana vidyate vimrusatam yasmat parasmat vibho tasmai Sri Guru Murtaye namayidam Sri Dakshina Murtaye. So there is nothing other than the 8 items: Bhu, Ambhas, earth, water, fire, air, space, sun, moon, and the individual, Jiva, Yajamani. So the Ashtami, Ashtakam, there are 8 slokas typically will be there, and by doing these 8 slokas together, Bhagavad Shankara always keeps the highest philosophy ingrained in them. So this is a famous Krishnashtakam of Shankara Bhagavatpada. So it is an attempt to kind of read and try and understand within our ability, by the grace of Gurus, what Shankara is saying in these 8 slokas, and with 1 sloka Falasruti. So the first sloka of this Krishnashtakam goes something like this: Bhaje vrajaika mandanam samasta papa khandanam swabhakta chitta ranjanam sadaiva nanda nandanam supincha gucha mastakam sunada venu hastakam anangaraga sagaram namami krishna nagaram. So bhaje, I bow down, I pray to vrajaika mandanam. Vraja is the desa, place. Eka mandanam is the ornament. Mandanam is the ornament of that particular place. Samasta papa khandanam. Then his ability is to cut away. Khandanam papa, samasta papa khandanam. No papa is left when he cuts things away. Samasta papa khandanam. Swabhakta chitta ranjanam. Swabhaktas, of his own bhaktas, the chitta, mind, ranjanam, he makes the mind joyful. Swabhakta chitta ranjanam sadaiva nanda nandanam. He is the Nanda, he is the son of Ananda, Nanda nandanam, Nanda of Nanda. Supincha gucha mastakam, on his head we see the pinchas of peacock feather. Supincha gucha, a gucha, a bouquet of pinchas, mastakam. Sunada venu hastakam. Sunada, a wonderful nada. Sunada, nada is the subtle state of sound. Before it comes out as any shape, it should have a nada. Sunada venu hastakam. Such a venu is holding a flute which can create sunada. Sunada venu hastakam. Anangaraga sagaram. Anangaraga, Anangudu is Manmatha. మన్మథాస్ అనంగరాగ అనంగరంగ సాగరం నమామి కృష్ణ నాగరం. ఐ బౌ డౌన్ టు సచ్ కృష్ణ. Nagaram is the town born village brought up Nagaram. So that Vraja Eka Mandanam, we bow down. Second sloka. Manoja Garvamochanam Vishalalolalocanam Vidhuta Gopasocanam Namami Padmalochanam. So these are the Pramanika Vrittas, and it is two Vrittas together in one sloka. Kararavinda Bhudharam Smitavaloka Sundaram Mahendra Manadaranam Namami Krishna Varanam. Manoja Garva Mochanam. Manoja is the Cupid, Manojudu, one who can Mohana Manoja, in mind born, the Kama desire, Manoja Garva Mochanam. So desire leads everything else. Krishna is the true attraction who can remove the Garva of Manoja. Visalalolalocanam is having large, ever moving eyes. Visalalolalocanam. Vidhuta Gopa Sochanam. Sochanam, the sokas, the sorrows of Gopas, Vidhuta, have been cleansed away. Vidhuta Gopa Sochanam Namami Padmalochanam. One who is having lotus eyes. Padmalochana Namami. I bow down to Padmalochana. Kararavinda Bhudharam, in the lotus of his hand, palm. Bhu, Mahendra Giri, he has picked it up with the hand. Kararavinda Bhudharam. He held a part of Bhu, earth. Kararavinda Bhudharam Smitavaloka Sundaram. Very pleasant Smita Avaloka, glance. Sundaram, he is beautiful by his glance. Mahendra Mana Dharanam. Mahendras, Indras, Mana, pride, Dharanam. So he has removed the pride of Manoja, he has removed the pride of Mahendra. Namami Krishna Varanam. Such an elephant-like Varanam, elephant-like Krishna. So Ganapati Swarupam, Krishna in Ganapati, Ganapati in Krishna. Namami Krishna Varanam. So this is the second sloka. Shankaracharya's slokas, they are not just prayers, or it includes lot of philosophy in them. So it is important to understand the philosophy to get full benefit of Shankaracharya's stotras. Kadambasunu Kundalam Sucharuganda Mandalam Vrajanganaika Vallabham Namami Krishna Durlabham. Yasodaya Samodaya Sagopaya Sanandaya Yutam Sukhaikadayakam Namami Gopanayakam. This is the third sloka. Two Pramanikas again. Kadamba Sunu Kundalam. So Kadamba Vrukshas flowers, he wears them as kundalas to the ears. Sucharu Ganda Mandalam. Ganda Sthalam. So on the forehead, Sucharu Ganda Mandalam. Big and beautiful Ganda Mandalam. Mandalam. It is a Sucharu Ganda Mandalam. Mandalam is an area, a field. Vrajanganaika Vallabham. Vraja Angana Eka Vallabham. For all Vrajanganas, he is the only husband. Vrajanganaika Vallabham. Namami Krishna Durlabham. Krishna difficult to get. Namami Krishna, who is difficult to get. Yasodaya, with Yasoda. Samodaya, with happiness. Sagopaya, along with Gopas. Sanandaya, along with Nanda. Nanda, Yasoda, Gopa, Moda, with happiness, Yutam. One who is with all these things, Sukhaikadayakam. He gives only Sukham, only bliss. Sukha Ekadayakam, Sukhaikadayakam. Namami Gopanayakam. Gopa is the surrender, basically. Gopa is the simplicity. Namami Gopanayakam, one who leads the Gopas who are simple. Sadaiva pada pankajam madhiya manase nijam dadhana muktamalakam namami nandabalakam samasta dosha soshanam samasta loka poshanam samasta gopa manasam namami nandalalasam. Nandalalasam, namami, bow down, nandalalasam. Sadaiva pada pankajam madhiya manase nijam dadhanam. So the pada pankajam, the lotus feet of Krishna, sadaiva, truly, purely immersed, madhiya manase, in my mind. Dadhana mukta malakam, mukta malikas, mukta pearl necklace, dadhanam, one who is wearing, namami nandabalakam. One side we are looking at the form of the god, other side the attitude of the devotee. Devotee is completely immersed. Sadaiva pada pankajam madhiya manase nijandadhana mukta malakam namami nanda balakam samasta dosha soshanam. So what is the use? Samasta dosha. It's not that devotee is not having any defects. All defects, soshanam, they are all lightened up. They are all dried up. Samasta dosha soshanam, samasta loka poshanam. And all these lokas are being nourished by the energy of Krishna Paramatma. Samasta loka poshanam, samasta gopa manasam, namami nanda lalasam. Nanda lalasam. So he is addicted to doing all these things. Namami nanda lalasam. Bhuvo bharavatarakam bhavabdhi karmatarakam yashomati kishorakam namami chitta chorakam dragantakanta bhanginam sada sadala sanginam dine dine navam namami nanda sambhavam. Bhuvor bharavatarakam, of this earth, bhara, the bad things, the bad attitude, harmful attitude, causes the bhara, heaviness on this earth. Normal, natural way of life on the earth is lightness, light, blissful life. So, bhuvo, whenever the bhara by the daitya, so people who will enjoy when others are suffering, those are the daityas. So when daityas and daitya mode of thinking increases on this earth, avatarakam yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tada atmanam srujamyaham. So Lord Krishna comes down. So bhuvo bhavavatarakam, bhuvo bharavatarakam. When the bhara is high, avataraka, he will come down. Bhavabdhi karma tarakam. Lot of places bhavabdhi karna dharakam is the words put, but bhavabdhi karna dharakam has no meaning. Bhavabdhi is worldly samsara. Karma, so that actions which comes along with the samsara. Tarakam, one who releases or crosses us over is more thing. So I only corrected that piece. Bhavabdhi karma tarakam. Yashomati kishorakam namami chitta chorakam. Yashomati of Yashosmati, Yashomati, Yashoda. Kishorakam, who is a son of Yashomati, Yashomati Kishorakam, namami chitta chorakam. By looking at him itself, he steals the mind, or all those mental attitudes are stolen away. He will not ask for the permission. Namami chitta chorakam. Drugantakanta bhanginam sadala sanginam Dine dine navam navam namami Nanda Sambhavam. This Nanda Sambhavam, Druganta, with on his end of the eye vision, Druganta Kanta Bhanginam, he has that attraction, Krishna. Sada sadala sanginam, sada ala sanginam, sada sadala sanginam. Dine navam, daily, dine, again and again, daily, navam, newer, renewed and renewed, navam, newer and newer, namami, such Nanda Sambhavam, the joy is renewed. It is not the same joy of yesterday. Joy of today is different from joy of yesterday. The attraction to the Krishna is different from yesterday to today. So every time you see Krishna, he appears differently. So namami Nanda Sambhavam. Gunakaram, Sukhakaram, Krupaparam, Suradvishannikandanam, namami Gopanandanam. Navina Gopanagaram, Navina Kelilampatam, namami Meghasundaram, Tatit Prabha Lasatpatam. This is the 6th sloka now. Gunakaram. All these great qualities originate him. So the Karam, Kruti, all these great qualities are created by him. Sukhakaram. All these great pleasures are created, are granted by him. Krupakaram. Grace, Kripa, is granted by him. Kripa Param. He is beyond any Kripa or the grace again. Krupakaram, Krupa Param. Suradvishannikandanam. So whoever Suras are the gods, are the divinities, divine beings who make all this creation possible. For example, earth, sun, moon, fire, all these are known as divinities. Deva, Div, light givers are the givers of existence. Vasudevas. So Krishna is Vasudeva. That Suras, Dvishan, so those who hate Suras, the darkness, the light, opposite of light is darkness, opposite of joy is misery. So those who cause misery, darkness, Suradvishan, Asuras, dark beings, dark thoughts, Nikandanam, Namami Gopanandanam. One who can remove those effects of such Asuras, and Namami Gopanandanam, I bow down to this Gopanandaka. Navina Gopanagaram, Navina Kelilampatam, Navina, again, fresh and new, renewed, always new. Navina Kelilampatam, he always creates a new Keli, Lampatam. He is attached to this new Keli, creating, renewing the Leelas. Every day is a new Leela. Navina Kelilampatam, Namami Megha Sundaram. Megha, what Varsha, what gives anything down is Megha. Megha is Varsha. It gives rain. Navina Megha Sundaram. Dark cloud is Tatit Prabha Lasat Patam. Wearing a bright yellow colored garment. Patam Lasat Patam. Tatit Prabha Lasat Patam. Patam of the garment, the Pitambaram, what he wears is bright, shining, like a lightning, shining yellow dress. Namami Megha Sundaram. So dark cloud and bright lightning. This is Krishna. Samasta Gopanandanam Hrudambujaika Mohanam Namami Kunjamathyagam Prasanna Bhanu Sobhanam Nikama Kamadayakam Druganta Charusayakam Rasala Venugayakam Namami Kanjanayakam. Water, Kanja of water, Narayana, Kanjanayakam. Narayana is water god. Samasta Gopanandanam, all simplified people, Gopas Nandanam, who makes them happy. Hrudambuja Eka Mohanam. Hruda Ambuja Eka Mohanam. One who can Mohana is, in a positive sense, mesmerizing of the heart. Any devotee's heart is mesmerized by this God, Hruda Ambuja. Ambuja is lotus, heart lotus, is mesmerizing heart lotuses. Namami Kunja Mathyagam Prasanna Bhanu Sobhanam. Who is having Prasanna Bhanu, not very Chanda Bhanu, means not very harsh sun, bright sun, not hot sun, bright sun Sobhanam, Nikama Kamadayakam, Nikama Kamadayakam. So Nikama Kama is the not worldly desires, beyond worldly desires, beyond the Swargalokas desires, means Moksha Pradayaka. Druganta Charu Sayakam, in his end of eye glances, he is having great glance. Those are the arrows which can attract. Druganta Charu Sayakam, Rasala Venugayakam, like a mango, Rasalam, Venu, his singing, his Venu Nada, the playing of his flute is sweet as Rasala, as Namami Kanja Nayakam, I bow down to such Kanja Nayakam. Vidhagdha Gopika Mano Manognatalpasayinam, Namami Kunja Kanane Pravruttha Vahni Payinam, Kishora Kanti Ranchitam, Druganjanam Susophitam, Gajendra Mokshakarinam, Namami Sri Viharinam. Namami Sri Viharinam, always with Sri. Anapayini, Nitya Anapayini, Lakshmi. Always with him. Vidagdha Gopika Mano Manognatalpasayinam. Manognatalpa. Vidagdha Gopika Mano Manognya. Dagdha. Tapas. With tapas, heated up. So with the Viraha, Gopika Manas, Gopikas, all those who are desiring him, their minds are Vidagdha, they are burnt. Gopika Mano, Manognya Talpasayinam. So they create a talpa, or a bed for him. Great, wonderful bed. Manognya Talpa Sayinam. In such talpa, he sleeps. Manognya Talpa Sayinam. Namami Kanjakanane Pravruttha Vahni Payinam. So the great fire produced by this tapas, he drinks that away. So by drinking that fire away, like Shiva, drinking the fire away, Vahini Pravruttha Vahni Payinam, Kishora Kanti Ranjitam, Druganjanam Susobhitam, to see Drug Anjanam Susobhitam, beautiful, bright vision of Lord Krishna, Susobhitam, Gajendra Mokshakarinam, Gajendra Moksha, of Gajendra Moksha Karina, one who caused the Gajendra Moksha. Gajendra is one who has been thrashed by this worldly war. So Gajendra symbolizes the one who is fighting this worldly war completely. He is not able to come out, go in or fight, not fight. Such a state, Gajendra Moksha Karinam, he releases, frees such a, that Gajendra is inside here only. So who can save from such a situation? Namami Sri Viharinam. I bow down to Sri Vihari, always going around with Sri Viharinam. Yada tada, yatha tatha, tadhaiva Krishna satkatha, maya sadaiva giyatam, tadha kripa vidhiyatam. This is Falasruti. Yada tada, whenever, wherever. Yatha tatha, as it is, whatever I know. Yatha tatha, tadhaiva Krishna satkatha. About Krishna, the satkatha is Leelas, Bhagavatam, from whatever Krishna's Leelas. Maya sadaiva giyatam. As my Giyatam sung, don't know even a single note to sing. But Maya Sadaiva Giyatam, whenever I sing, whenever I sing, whenever I pray with loud voice, that itself is Giyatam. Tadha Kripa Vidhiyatam. Then the grace flows. Immediately grace flows. Pramanikashtakadvayam japatyadhi tvayah puman. Japati adhitya yah puman. Pramanika Ashtakadvayam. This Pramanika Ashtaka, there are two Pramanikas, 8 such twos. Dvayam, Japati, one who reminds, one who sings, one who repeats. Adhitya, having understood, having studied. Yaha Puman, one who has done this. Bhavet Sanandanandane Bhave Bhave Subhaktiman. Not worried about the janmas or whatever. In whatever janma, wherever bhavet, he is born again and again as Krishna Bhakta. Krishna Bhakti removes all troubles. So if you are born again and again as a Krishna Bhakta, no problem. You will still navan navam, dinan dinan, navan navam. Daily, the new renewed day of Krishna Bhakti is enjoyed by the Krishna Bhaktas. The Krishna sleeps very much here in the heart. So it is very interesting of the bhaktas. You don't need to pray to Krishna. One example is my Guru. Swami Virajeshwara Saraswati, he has been a great Rama Bhakta. He has been given a Rama mantra and he has been repeating Rama. He is doing all his sadhana to get Rama Sakshatkara. Finally, when he sees a Sakshatkara, first he sees Krishna. And in his autobiography, he writes, I am not even calling him why he has come. That is the type of Krishna's Kripa. You don't need to even pray for him. Krishna is very in everybody's heart. So you pray to any god, the Krishna's grace will come. So specifically knowing that when you simplify yourself, you become a Gopa, Nandavraja. Krishna Bhakti is natural to any Bhakta, one who is a devotee, one who is devotee of any divinity, any divine energy. That is Krishna Bhakti, finally. So, yada tata yatha tatha tathaiva Krishna satkatha maya sadaiva giyatam tatha krupa vidhiyatam pramanikashtakadvayam japatyadhitvayah puman bhavet sa nandanandane bhave bhave subhaktiman. Sa nandanandane subhaktiman. Proper bhakti, proper devotion of Nandanandana is granted to such a person who continues to sing the glories of Krishna. On the Papa Mochani Ekadasi Paranade, being a Sunday, Dhanishta Nakshatram, it's a great combination, reminding Krishna, Krishnashtakam, Jagadguru Krishna through Vyasa's Bhagavatam by the Stotra of Bhagavat, Jagadguru Bhagavat, Shankar Bhagavat Padacharya. May the whole world is nourished by the Vishwambhara, the great Lord, and may all the defects in this world are removed and all the papa is removed by the same Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna. Swasti.